Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for stays on the booking.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to your homepage and tap on the stays button at the top of the screen. Then scroll down a bit and tap on this "where are you going" bar, and then you should type in your destination and then select the check-in and check-out date on this calendar, and then select the number of guests and the number of rooms, and then click on the search button on the right side, and in a few seconds you will be able to check out all of the available properties. As you can see here, you can also apply filters if you would like to narrow down your search. As you scroll down a bit, you can see that you have a bunch of filters that you can apply on the left side, such as your budget can be set. Then here you can find popular filters, filters about health and safety in terms of fun things to do. You can also apply these buttons or these filters, and then you will be able to see all of the results according to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.